Hello, I'm Dr. Polly Parker. Thank you for your interest in Escuela Americana. We live in a competitive global world. I'm standing here today in one of our STEAM labs. It is just one of the ways that we prepare students to be innovators and leaders.
Can you smell?
We are the first school in El Salvador to invest in STEAM labs and a fabrication lab, where our students focus on finding solutions in a hands-on, engaging, and collaborative manner. Our focus is preparing students to attend the college of their choice in the United States and other countries.
We were outside in the street.
Our parents tell us they love that their children will learn how to speak and write English from American teachers. Our small teacher-to-student ratio allow our students to receive the individual attention they need to succeed. And with rigorous academic standards and nearly 24 advanced placement classes, the sky's the limit to how far our students can go. I invite you to look around our website and get excited about what we can offer for your child's future. Come see this amazing campus with all of its natural beauty and incredible views. Meet our staff and students. See firsthand the EA difference.